Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Allegations of molestation made against Archbishop Anthony Apuron may have been only the tip of the iceberg. Last week, 73-year-old Leo Tudela testified before lawmakers alleging he was a victim of child sex abuse by 3 members of the church, one of whom was Father Louis Brouillard. In a phone interview with KUAM last Friday, Brouillard admitted he had molested young boys while on Guam. Although he couldn't recall the number, he did say why he did it.
Hard to say. I guess it mostly pleased the boys. I thought they were happy.
KUAM spoke with attorney David Lujan today, who alleges there are more victims and more priests who stand accused. Lujan represents other alleged victims who shared their stories earlier this year: Roy Quintanilla, Walter Denton, Roland Sandia, and Doris Concepcion, on behalf of her late son, Joseph Sonny Kanata. In Tudela's case, he had moved to Guam from Saipan to attend Catholic school. While an altar boy at Santa Teresita Church, he alleges Father Louis touched him in his sleep. He shared a story last week in an effort to compel lawmakers to pass Bill 326, legislation that would lift the statute of limitations on child sex crimes. According to attorney Lujan, he's heard more details of alleged abuse by Father Louis. Quote, "There's a lot of them. Brouillard molested many kids, a lot of kids. He photographed them. He measured their bodies and photographed their penis," end quote. Attorney Lujan also details a specific incident when a teen boy came to Father Louis to confess his sins. Quote, "Father Brouillard asked him if he has ever masturbated. The boy said yes. Brouillard asked him, 'How many times do you do it daily?' The boy said 3 or 4 times. Brouillard opened the screen of the confession box and told the boy, 'I want you to demonstrate it to me,'" end quote. Father Louis is 95 years old and lives in Minnesota. He continues to receive a $550 monthly stipend from the Archdiocese of Agana even after he was removed from the Diocese of Duluth. In an interview with KUAM, he apologized to the victims, and his apology was followed by an apology from Guam's interim Archbishop, Savio Han Taifai, who was appointed by the Vatican to oversee the Agana Archdiocese while Apuron was placed on leave. In addition, attorney Lujan confirms he has given the Archdiocese of Agana and Apuron more time to file their responses to his client's $2 million libel and slander suit against them. The new deadline is set for September 11.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.